Hi everyone, I am Deep, a technical marketing engineer with the Metropolis team here at NVIDIA. We recently launched NVIDIA Cosmos 3, our new open foundation model designed to bring advanced vision reasoning to physical AI. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly deploy the Cosmos 3 Nano Reasoner NIM and query it with text, images, and videos. So let's dive in. First, we need to get the NGC key from the NGC Catalog website. For that, go to the website and go into account settings, scroll down to generate API key, click generate personal key button, add appropriate name, and make sure to select at least these 3 services. And then finally click generate personal key. Copy this key and go into terminal and set it in the environment. Then log into Docker using the shown command and type $OAuth token as username and API key as the password. Once that is done, you are all set to access the Cosmos 3 container. Copy the Docker command from the docs to launch the Cosmos 3 Nano Reasoner container. Keep in mind the public image tags or paths might slightly differ by the time you watch this, so check the links below for the latest version. I've set the GPU as device equal to 1 so that it uses a specific GPU. Once you hit enter, it will pull the container and run the initial environment setup. This usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your network and hardware. Once the logs quiet down, we can verify everything is healthy. Open a new terminal to do some quick health check. The first one is to check if the service is live. It returns 200 OK, which means it is live. And the second one is to check if it is ready, which means if the models are loaded or not. And we can see that it is healthy and ready. Let's start with the basic image query. We will target the standard OpenAI chat completions endpoint using chat.ml format. We are passing an image URL, and this is how the image looks like. And the prompt is what's in the image. Let's look at the response. Cosmos 3 instantly and accurately describes the fine details of the scene, like it has a wooden boardwalk, lush greenery, details about both, and overall atmosphere. Alternatively, you can also use OpenAI's Python SDK, which we will show later in the video. But if you don't want to host your images on public URL, no problem, the NIM natively accepts images encoded in standard base 64 format too. But physical AI lives in a moving world, so NIM for VLMs extends the OpenAI specification to gracefully handle video payloads. Let's look at an example. Here we simply use video URL instead of image URL to pass in videos to the Cosmos 3 Reasoner container. Here's how the video looks. In this video, the robot arms move the Rubik cube from one place to another in a wooden table. The prompt is what is happening in this video. Now, to trigger Cosmos 3's deep reasoning capabilities, we append a specific formatting instruction to our user prompt, telling it to structure its thought between think tags and its final output between answer tags. When we look at the response payload now, we see the actual thinking tokens generated by the model before it drops the final answer. This is incredibly powerful for complex visual checks. Cosmos 3 has correctly identified that the robot arm moves a Rubik cube from a raised wooden platform and move it to a lower wooden tray, and also some information about the surrounding. Just like images, videos can be passed in base 64 format too. You can also fine-tune how the model processes the video using extra parameters. For instance, you can adjust the sampling rate and image size during pre-processing. Again, for reasoning, just append this to the user prompt and it would output the thinking tokens. Now let's look at a real world use case. Synthetic data generation critic. When training physical AI agents like robots using synthetic simulation video data, you need clean data. If a generated video breaks the laws of physics, it will ruin your training. Filtering these manually is impossible at scale. So in this example, I've written a quick script that asks Cosmos 3 to act as a critic and score the shown synthetic video's physical plausibility on the scale of 1 to 5, along with reasoning and final prompt as does the video adhere to the physical laws. Now let's run it. It has started the inference and we can switch back to the live Docker container terminal to see the logs. And there it is. It correctly flagged the scene, scoring it as 2 out of 5 for physical inconsistency, explaining exactly where it failed. Now, using NIM as an automated curation gatekeeper ensures only high quality data reaches your downstream models. And that wraps it up. Deploying state-of-the-art physical reasoning has never been this straightforward. These NIMs can drop right into your existing AI workflows. So check out the official documentation linked below for more payload examples and SDK integration guides. And stay tuned for more deep dive into physical AI. Happy building.